Come test drive this 2014 BMW X3 xDrive 28i. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include front bucket seats, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, a power rear cargo door, and much more. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.